Is we are going to do some Nerf, one Nerf gun thing. I hope you enjoy. Now, I got this one for Christmas. Yeah, anyways, I got this for Christmas. It does work. Christmas was a while ago. Now it's February 2nd. Yeah, February 2nd. So yeah, let's get into this Nerf gun. So, sorry. Nice. So, oh shoot, I just took a picture. So this is my Nerf gun. You can see magazine, scope right here. And yeah, we're gonna get into this Nerf gun. So I'm gonna set this camera up. So let's get into it. Oh yeah. Excuse me. Watch out. That little pillow. Watch out. So I'm gonna do my Nerf gun here. So my dad's he does DJ. So little DJ thing. Yeah. With this little stand right here for his new computer. Okay, yeah. Oh, so we are gonna do this. I'm gonna show you how to do all this. So if you have this Nerf gun, I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm going to shoot this one. I'm going to do another video with my other ones. I only have like 4 more Nerf guns and like 3 regular guns. Nerf and nothing guns because I don't have a lot of guns. So, a little bit. They're not really good. But they're good. Shoot. So, yeah. My gun has bullets. Okay, here we're gonna get started. First, you probably want to put the scope or this. I'm gonna do the scope first. Yeah, because you need really. I gotta show you this one. So, first, so I have a little thing right here. Right there. And there's a little orange thing right here. So we're gonna do this on this front part. Hook it up, squish it down because it's a little squished. And when it connects to the orange thing, when it stops, you want to push this in until the 2 lines right here, if you see that little orange piece right here, you want to make sure that is all the way and not loose. We got that. The second part, we're going to do this like a suppressor, almost like. So, figure it out. So there's a large L, if you see it, and a smaller L right here. My camera's kind of bad. Right here. So we're gonna do the large thing, this large thing right here, this little square thing, right here, right here. It's larger than this thing right here, this little thing right here. So what you're gonna do is put the small L with the small thing right here. So the small L on here, and the small thing right here, you're gonna attach those two. Make sure it connects. There we go. Now it's a longer thing. Yeah. Second, we're gonna do the magazine. The magazine last. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave the bullets I have. There's two more. Well, I'll show you the mag first. Actually, the magazine first. So yeah, so this little arrow. You're only allowed to put 10 in, and the dart is supposed to go this way. The dart is supposed to go this way, because it goes like that way. And you're only allowed to put 10 in this magazine. So as you see, putting two more in here. I'm putting it this way, where the camera is, straight. Oh, sorry, my camera moved. Okay, that's fine. And you see this? You get this in, where the magazine is. That's the banana shaped thing. It's supposed to go this way. This way. Sorry, the camera's opposite. It's supposed to go this way. But it's opposite. My thing's right here. So let's go this way. Like hooked that way. So yeah, we got that. And how you take it out is this little thing right here. This is so you have to press this first, hold that, and do that. That's why it's automatically usually. And you press this little orange thing right here. So you can get that out. This one is kind of important, kind of not. If you want to, you could do this. You put your elbow like that, or it's actually for like if you have another magazine, you can put it in here. But you could put it in there for two things. You do this, or if you have an extra magazine, you can put it. Yes, sir. Sister. So yeah, I'm going to use it. Things on. So let's get to shooting. Bullets are in. This one goes. I'm ready. If you see a shot, it was awesome. Yep. Sometimes it breaks. So that was awesome. So we're done. Take the magazine. Go get the pants. Yeah, bullets. No video. Oh yeah, that was for the extras. My screen a little bad. About to end the video, cause after this, maybe so. Yeah, but I'm gonna get all the bullets. Don't worry. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, I'm gonna get this. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do the other video, so I'm gonna probably speak louder because you guys need to hear me, probably. So yeah. I'm gonna go get my gun. I'll be right back. So yeah, magazine. Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please watch it. I'm gonna get like 5,000 subscribers and 5,000 likes, please. Because it's like yesterday was my first time making a YouTube video because my friend showed me. I watch YouTube videos, but I didn't know should I make it or not. My friend showed me, he said, yeah. So he helped me and all that stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Let's get 5,000 subscribers of 5,000 likes, please. Thank you. It's my second time. My name is Seffi Rivers, and you. Goodbye.